So I'm going to make a little coffee treat for myself today. So I know this is called something. This is some kind of coffee concoction that's going around, I think on TikTok. I don't even know what it's called. But my daughter asked me if I wanted a coffee treat the other day. So who am I to say no to a yummy coffee treat? So she made me a delicious coffee treat. I had no idea what it was. So then she told me how she did it, and I thought it was actually pretty cool. So now I've been asking for one almost every afternoon, and I normally don't even drink coffee in the afternoon, but these are long days right now, and kind of needed that little extra coffee boost. So I'm gonna do it for you. Maybe I'll eventually learn the name. I wanted her to join me here, but you know, she's a teenager. No interest. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, which by the way, I usually use organic fair trade coffee that I brew every morning, but I have this thanks to my mom. When my mom comes to visit, she only drinks instant coffee. She doesn't even like my fresh brewed coffee. Only instant coffee for her. So I have a little jar of instant coffee up in a corner of one of my shelves. So came in handy. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I hope I'm doing this right. 2 tablespoons of hot water. Just boiled the water. And then 2 tablespoons, which I'm gonna use one. One day Maisie made it with the 2 tablespoons, and then I asked her to cut the sugar in half because I don't normally use any added sugar in coffee, but again, this is a little coffee treat. So I'm gonna use one here, and this is cane sugar because that's what I have. And I'll save this for later. And now I'm gonna use this little hand blender, which by the way, normally Maisie really just uses this when she bakes. I rarely use this, so I may just go all over the place here, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So first of all, here's what it looks like right now, this little concoction. Let's give it a shot. Hopefully I can do this. Oh wait, gotta turn the power on. Oh my God, this is going everywhere a little bit. I'll show you after. It doesn't go everywhere. Really is going everywhere. How do you do this? There we go. Making a little bit of a mess here. Can you keep blending? Keep blending. Supposed to make this frothy, light-colored frothy thing. Stop for a second and show you here. Look what we've got so far. Kind of looks like frosting. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Do some lunges. Why not? Come on. It's getting lighter. By the way, did you know that it's really hard to do 3 things at once? Hop, lunge, mix. Anyway, squat I meant. See? Not lunge, squat. Anyway, did you know that instant coffee is freeze-dried? Little fun fact for you there. Okay, we're getting lighter. We're almost there. By the way, this is like a Nutritious Life conscious indulgence. The little sugar definitely makes it a conscious indulgence. And now that I'm making this on my own, Maisie's not going to ever want to make it for me again. Why am I doing this? Now that I've made a little bit of a mess, that's okay. Check this out. So excited. Okay, so now I have ice, milk. You can use any kind of milk. This is organic low-fat milk here, but you can use almond milk. You can use, actually no, this is organic whole milk. This is what I actually use in coffee sometimes. Organic whole milk. I also sometimes use almond milk, but this is organic whole milk. Pour this on top here. Ah, the things that are getting me excited in the kitchen these days. Look at this yummy drink. Yum, yum. Mix it up a little bit and then just drink like this. Seriously, delish.